User's Manual for Fireline Automatic. Fireline Automatic is a decorative appliance with a real flame. Prior to setup, read the instruction manual carefully. Do not start the appliance before setting it into its final position. Before starting, read the user's manual. Accessorize. User's Manual, DVD User's Manual, Funnel, Remote Control. Introduction. Open the left lid. Control panel. Red button, which starts the appliance, puts it into standby mode or turns it off completely. Plus and minus buttons for the flame regulation. Before starting, make sure the device is connected to a power supply. If so, there should be a red dot or any message on the control panel. Start-stop button that ignites or extinguishes the flame. Initial startup. Switch on the appliance by pressing the red button on the control panel. Message fuel is shown on the panel. This indicates there is no fuel in the reservoir and refilling is necessary. Open the right lid. Open the Fanola filler bolt and place the funnel inside. The message fill should appear on the panel. Carefully pour fuel into the reservoir. Pour the fuel only until the warning signal can be heard and the message full and shut appears on the panel. Take the funnel out. The message ready appears on the panel. Close the lid. Starting the appliance. Press the start-stop button on the panel or the start button on the remote control. Now, wait message will appear on the panel as it takes a few moments for the fire to ignite. You may hear the ignition sparks. When the fire stabilizes, message wait changes to on 3 on the panel. This indicates that the device is in a working mode. Flame size regulation. Fireline Automatic is equipped with flame size regulation option. There are 4 flame sizes, 1 being the smallest and 4 being the largest. By pressing plus and minus button on the control panel or the remote control, you can regulate the flame size. Please note that it always takes a few moments for the flame to adjust to a new size. Extinguishing the flame. Press the start-stop button on the panel or the stop button on the remote control. There are 2 long warning signals and the fire disappears instantly. The message temp for temperature appears on the panel, indicating that the temperature of the appliance is too high to start it again immediately. After a while, the cooling system starts working. It takes a few moments for the system to cool down before it's put to operation again. Total switch off. To switch off the appliance completely, press the red button on the control panel. Attention! Please note that the fire extinguishes automatically when the fuel burns out. In this case, there is a warning signal together with a message fuel appearing on the panel. To continue, proceed as when starting the appliance. Attention! Error situation 1. If while refilling the fuel is spilled, a message error 1 will appear on the panel together with a long warning signal. If that happens, stop pouring and take the funnel out. Press the red button to turn the device off. Now you can wipe the visible spillage with a paper towel and leave the lid open for approximately 1 hour. After this time, turn on the device by pressing the red button. If the message error 1 reappears, switch the device off and wait a longer while for the moisture to evaporate. Attention! Error situation 2. While the fire is on, only the left lid with the control panel may stay open. Opening the funnel filler bolt will result in the automatic switch off of the appliance. Attention! Error situation 3. The appliance is shock-proof and it switches off automatically when senses any movement, whether mechanical or due to seismic activity. Attention! Error situation 4. The appliance switches off automatically when the CO2 concentration in the room exceeds acceptable level. This is indicated by a message CO2 appearing on the panel. The device will not turn on again until the concentration of CO2 in the room does not fall below an acceptable level. Warning signals. If an error occurs, warning signals of numbers from error 1 to error 15 will be shown on the panel. Each one stands for error of different origin. Please refer to user's manual for more information.